My name is Laurie, and this is my daughter Hannah. We are the mother-daughter duo that make up Journey with the Gingers. But on this trip, it will be myself and my mom, who we affectionately call Mimi. We sailed on the Celebrity Summit on a 9-day cruise down the East Coast and then to Bermuda. In this video, I'm going to give you a full tour of our Veranda Balcony Stateroom, room 6090 on the Celebrity Summit. Hi everyone, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and we're going to give you a room tour on the Celebrity Summit. It is a Veranda Stateroom, room 6090. We're currently sailing, or about to sail, on a 9-day cruise from going down the East Coast and then going across to Bermuda, and we'll be staying in Bermuda for 2 nights. And we have a Veranda Stateroom, which is a balcony stateroom, and I'm going to show you everything that has to do with the stateroom. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, we hope you do so, because I'll be sharing with you our trip on the Celebrity Summit. And also, if you hit that like button, we would appreciate that as well. So let's get started with the tour of Stateroom 6090 on the Celebrity Summit. So we'll just simply start here at the door to the room. One thing that I thought was neat on the door is this magnet. It says Deep Sleep, and you just put it on the outside of your door to let your stateroom attendant and anyone know that you're sleeping and you don't wish to be disturbed. The light switch is just a regular light switch for the cabin, so you don't have to use a card to keep the lights on, which is nice. So let me share with you what some of the storage looks like in this cabin. So when you first walk into the cabin, you do have a closet here, and they gave us a lot of hangers, which is nice. And they also gave us 2 bathrobes, so we didn't have to ask for that. And then there's a little, I would call it shoe storage below. And then you have a full length mirror, which is very nice, so you can see what you look like before you walk out the door. And that's on the inside of the closet. Then there's a second closet right beside it. In the second closet, you'll see that they have also given you some more hangers, or given us some more hangers. And then there is a tote bag for us to use, a laundry bag if we want to send our laundry off. And they also provide us with an umbrella. So if we're in a port and we need an umbrella, it's there for us. And also under here we have another tote bag and another laundry bag. And then there's some more shelves. And next to the closet we do have these glass doors on cabinets. And inside this cabinet is a safe. And it's where you would put a code in. And I believe that's the ice bucket up there. And it says something about a beach towel, but I don't see one in here. But it says that we're going to have a beach towel. And then there's another empty cabinet, and these are the glass cabinets. And then there's a little counter over here. There are some things here that you have to purchase through the private bar that they provide you. And I'll show you what it looks like in the refrigerator. There's lots of alcohol and drinks, but these are not included. If you have the drink package, you have to pay for them separately, so we probably won't be touching them. And by the way, those little bags of potato chips, $4. And below that counter are some large, nice drawers. And then there are 3 more down at the bottom, so 4 nice sized drawers. And then there's another little counter area. And then below is a little cooler, and I will show you what's in there. The waters are ours that came. We have a classic drink package, and we just went and picked them up. But other than that, the sodas and the bottles of wine and the Tito's and the Kind bars are all part of your mini bar setup. We won't be touching those though. So next, let's go and look at the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom has the light switches outside, and it's already on. Of course, you have your toilet. The little note telling that you have to use their toilet paper and not bring your own. And then there's some towels down below. Some more towels, and then there is a hair dryer, which is good because I didn't bring one. On the sink area, you have some body lotion and a little pump bottle and a bar of soap and your tissues. And they did provide us with some hand sanitizer in our room. And you have these nice 2 shelves. They're pretty big size. Then you have a nice size sink. And let's look at the shower. So the shower does have a glass door, which I love. It opens in like that, all the way in for you to go inside. And then it has a nice little footrest for you if you're needing to shave your legs. And it has the head that will move up and down, or you can take it off as a wand, I believe. And then they do have, step into the shower, they do have shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. A little rack for you to put whatever you brought with you to put for use in the shower. And there is a clothesline. And stepping out of the shower, you can see Mimi's outside on the balcony, or the veranda, excuse me. That's what they call it on Celebrity. But she's out there reading her book. So we have had it set up as 2 twin beds. You can ask them to separate the larger bed into 2 twin beds, and that's what we did. And we each have a nightstand. There's my bag. And this is gonna be Mimi's bed, and her nightstand has this light above that she'll have to turn off up there. And then her nightstand has 2 little shelves and a drawer. And my nightstand also has 2 shelves and a drawer. And the thing that I really do like is that this lamp right here also has outlet, actually 2 outlets and 2 USBs, which those of you that have sailed with other cruise lines might find that a great luxury. I do. The desk area has 4 small drawers, a nice comfy chair, and this really big, nice mirror that lights up. And we have some more outlets. There's 2 more USBs over here by the desk and 2 more outlets. Also beside the desk, you have 3 shelves. That was a little tall for me up there, but yep, 3 nice shelves. And then this extra large chair and a little table is beside the bed. The television is quite large, which I like, and it's right in front of the beds. We also, when we came in our room, had our excursion tickets waiting on us, and also our welcome aboard newsletter. And it looks like that we have all the information we need to what's going on the ship today. Oh yeah, definitely. And all this information is also on our phones, on our app. And finally, the whole reason why we get a veranda stateroom is the veranda. So let me show that to you. So the veranda has 2 chairs, and they are adjustable. And Mimi, are you enjoying your chair?
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
And it has this little table that definitely could be a footrest, like Mimi's using it. Or you could use it for your morning coffee. This is our view right now. Not much of a view from this side, but we're about to have some beautiful views soon when we sail away. So what do you think about Celebrity so far, Mimi? It's bougie. It's bougie. All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
So we hope you enjoyed this tour of the Celebrity Summit Veranda Stateroom. And if you are enjoying this, we will definitely be sharing more with you about the Celebrity Summit, including later in the series we were going to give you a ship tour. So if you don't mind subscribing to our channel and liking this video, we would very much appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because we have a lot more coming. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.